Yes, I know how attractive I look. I'm conditioning my hair as we speak. Now, there's a parallel here. When I was incarcerated, if you wanted to condition your hair, you either had to have enough money in your account so you could buy mayonnaise at the commissary and you could mayonnaise your head. You could buy a cheap shower cap. Or if you were really lucky, people at home could send you coconut oil, in which case, if it was warm, you could just use it as the liquid. Otherwise, in the winter, you'd have to rub it between your hands to get it into your head. In any event, the conditioner that I have now is a keratin conditioner, and I'm so much happier. And the next time you see me, my hair should look so much better too. Thank you.